that's where OpenAI, the guys there are working, or at least I'm hoping that's what they're working on, is creating some limitations so that this technology can't be used for that. That's me, like saying again, because if you think about it, this could be very easily used by any organizations to sway, whether it's like political outcomes or sway public opinion on any topic by creating